Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix missing VCRUNTIME140.dll error on your Windows device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to search for the file, so you can go to any browser and just search for this folder right here. Once you do that, you're going to meet this link, dllfiles.com, and just going to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to just scroll all the way down until you see the download section, and now we have the latest versions. But we would like to check which version to download on our computer. So you can see right here the architecture 32 or 64. To check which one your computer is, click on the bottom left and right here on the start, and then from here you're going to search for system information. Once you find system information, you can see right here there's something that's called system type, and it is right here x64. So once we match it with which one, it's going to be this one right here. Just click on download, and the download will start automatically. Now it will be defaulted to go to your downloads page or your desktop, so just download it anywhere that is suitable and then make sure to save it. Once you save it, then you can just click on open. Once you have it open, then now you have the files that you need. And so from here, you can just extract it into the system32 or system64 file on your computer. So just open your folder explorer, and then from here, you're going to go to this PC, then from local disk C, then from here, you're going to go to Windows. Then in Windows, you're going to now search for system32, right here, system32. And once you're here, you're just going to grab this file and then drag it right in this folder. And then if you already have it, then you should be good. But if you don't, then you won't get this issue. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.